Hello my fellow gamers, in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how I myself was able to fix Dune Awakening crashing on Steam PC. So if you're also having problems that your Dune Awakening game is crashing on Steam and you want to be able to fix this, well then this video is going to be perfect for you. So this is actually how I fixed it. There's going to be 2 steps to be able to fix this, just so you know. So make sure that you actually do both of these steps to be able to maximize your chances of making it work basically. So firstly, we're going to go into Steam here, then we're going to click on library, because in library you will be able to see all the games that you currently have on your Steam. But of course for this one we're going to focus on Dune Awakening. Just right click on it, then hover over manage right here, click on browse local files, and as you can see it should now take you here, which is perfect. So now where it says Dune Sandbox, right click on it, click on properties, and click on compatibility. So if you have this one, run this program as an administrator, make sure to actually disable this one. For some reason, when you have it run this program as an administrator, it just doesn't work. At least for me, it doesn't. So if you actually have this one, so properties, compatibility, make sure that run this program as an administrator is actually off. So now the second step, the second step is going to be for us to actually go into the Dune Awakening game now. So I'm just going to launch the game. So just a second, and then we're going to of course click on Dune Awakening, click on launch here, and we're going to wait a couple of seconds for it to launch. So it does unfortunately sometimes take a couple of seconds. And by the way, when it's going to launch, we're going to then click on Control and then Shift and then Escape. Just so you know, I'm just going to click on No here. Going to wait until it can actually launch. I don't know why it quite often takes quite a while, at least for me, since I've gotten this game. It does take a while for it to launch for some reason. And yep, now it's done. So what I'm going to do now is to just click on Control, Shift, and then Escape. Then click on Details right here, as you can see. So you need to bring your task manager up. And in here, you're going to look for Dune Sandbox, this one that takes the most CPU right here. And then just right click on it, click on set priority, then click on high. So, and then change priority. And I did this myself, and afterwards it has been working perfectly for me. So try this and hopefully it's going to work perfectly for you as well.